The first way is, Bonnie?
Detox.
Detoxification. And how does infrared affect the body in terms of detoxification?
It's spectacular with it. Infrared is, I always teach people, what is infrared, okay? We've heard the word, but we're not sure exactly what it is. Think of walking out in the sun. The minute you walk out, you can feel those rays go way down deep inside you. That's the infrared part. And that's the part that we are duplicating in our personal infrared sauna. And so when you sit in there, you can feel the rays go down deep inside you, not on the outside, on the inside. It's cellular. And so when that happens, then on a cellular level, you are detoxing your body. And that's the beauty of our product.
So infrared is the reason on a hot day you step into the shade, right?
Exactly.
And it feels cooler in the shade even though the air temperature is no different.
Mm-hmm.
Or on a cold day when the infrared penetrates your skin, the air temperature is still very cold, but you feel warmth. That's what infrared is. Mm-hmm. And again, right down to the cellular level. That's what infrared is. And so how does that detox the body though, Bonnie?
How does it detox the body?
Right.
Well, one of the major ways that it detoxes the body is that in the subcutaneous layer are fat cells holding toxins. There's water molecules that surround them. When infrared goes into those water molecules, because it goes way down deep into that layer, it excites them. And when it excites them, it's kind of like boiling water. And they pop. And when they pop, they're releasing those stuck fat cells and toxins that are in there. And so they're able to flush out the body. That's one of the ways.
That's one of the ways. That's a good way. We have a whole natural detoxification system. Mm-hmm. We have a whole lymphatic system. We have a very powerful detox machine in our liver and, of course, our kidneys. I like to tell people, let's not ignore those systems. Mm-hmm. Those systems are powerful. We want to keep them running at full strength. And so that's why we say, let's use those systems to detox. Let's use those systems to detox. And I tell people over and over, let's use those systems. Let's keep them clean. Let's keep them pristine. Let's not necessarily use the skin as a filter when we have those particular filters. That's my take. Are you good?
Great.
Good. After we have put our body in a position to detox, let me ask you one question real quick. What temperature is a good temperature to detox?
I like 120, 125 right in there. And the reason I like that is because personal preference. I like being in the sauna. I like feeling the warmth on the inside. But I know that sweating isn't necessary to get a really, really deep detox. So I don't need to sweat to detox, so I don't. So 120, 125, I won't have the sweating profusely, so I can stay for as long as I want. And so I use mine as a desk, and I just sit there for an hour, 2 hours each day, and that's why I do 120, 125, because it works.